Auburn Hills is known for its beautiful homes, welcoming neighborhoods, and thriving community spirit. Homeowners in this vibrant city take pride in maintaining properties that reflect their unique personalities and enhance the overall aesthetic of the area. One of the most effective ways to elevate your home's curb appeal is by upgrading your windows. Not only do stylish windows enhance the visual charm of your property, but they also bring practical benefits such as energy efficiency, natural light, and improved home value. Let's explore how the right windows can transform your Auburn Hills home. The role of windows in curb appeal. Windows are a central design feature of any home. They serve as the eyes of the house, offering a glimpse into its character while framing views of the outside world. The right windows can accentuate architectural details, complement the home's design style, and create a welcoming appearance that draws admiration from neighbors and passers-by. Whether you have a cozy craftsman-style home or a modern minimalist design, there are window options to suit every aesthetic. Choosing the right window style. When selecting windows to boost curb appeal, consider both functionality and design. Here are some popular window styles that Auburn Hills homeowners love. Bay and bow windows. These windows create a striking focal point and add depth to your home's exterior. By extending outward, bay and bow windows offer panoramic views and an inviting feel. Double-hung windows. A classic choice, double-hung windows suit a variety of architectural styles. Their clean lines and timeless look make them a versatile option. Casement windows. Known for their sleek design and excellent ventilation, casement windows work well in contemporary and traditional homes alike. Picture windows. Perfect for showcasing stunning views, picture windows provide uninterrupted glass surfaces that enhance natural light and give your home a modern touch. Custom-shaped windows. For a unique and personalized touch, consider custom-shaped windows. Arched, circular, or geometric designs can add character and distinction to your property. Material matters. Window frames come in various materials, each with its own set of benefits. In Auburn Hills, where seasonal changes can be dramatic, choosing durable and weather-resistant materials is crucial. Options include vinyl. Affordable and low maintenance, vinyl frames offer excellent insulation and are available in a range of colors. Wood. For a classic and warm aesthetic, wood frames provide timeless appeal. Ensure they are properly treated for weather resistance. Fiberglass. Strong and durable, fiberglass windows mimic the appearance of wood while offering superior longevity. Aluminum. Lightweight and sleek, aluminum frames are ideal for modern designs, although they may require additional insulation. Energy efficiency for Auburn Hills homes. Stylish windows aren't just about looks, they're also an opportunity to improve your home's energy efficiency. Auburn Hills experiences cold winters and warm summers, making energy-efficient windows a must. Look for features such as low E glass, reduces heat transfer while allowing natural light to filter in. Double or triple panes, provides better insulation and noise reduction. Gas fills. Argon or krypton gas between panes enhances thermal performance. Energy Star certification ensures the windows meet strict energy efficiency standards. Investing in energy-efficient windows not only reduces your energy bills but also adds to the long-term value of your home. Installation and professional guidance. To ensure your new windows achieve their maximum potential, professional installation is key. Local Auburn Hills window specialists understand the area's climate and architectural styles, making them well equipped to guide you through the selection and installation process. Partnering with a trusted installer also ensures proper sealing and fit, preventing drafts and extending the life of your windows. Adding finishing touches. Once your new windows are installed, don't forget the finishing touches that can elevate their impact. Consider adding shutters, window boxes, or trim in complementary colors to highlight the window's design. Thoughtful landscaping, such as framing windows with flowers or shrubs, can further enhance curb appeal. The long-term benefits. Upgrading your windows is an investment that pays off in many ways. Besides boosting curb appeal, stylish and energy-efficient windows increase your home's resale value and improve overall comfort. They also create a more inviting and visually appealing exterior that you'll take pride in every time you come home. Conclusion. For Auburn Hills homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal, stylish windows offer a perfect blend of form and function. With countless styles, materials, and energy-efficient options to choose from, finding the right windows to transform your home is easier than ever. Reach out to a local window expert today and take the first step toward making your home the pride of Auburn Hills.